Hi, I'm Bill Boblett from BB Custom Box Calls, and I want to give you a little demonstration of my little miniature tree call. This one is canary wood and bloodwood. It has an anodized aluminum surface, a little striker that you just pull across the surface, and you make little clucks, little purrs. And this would be a call that you would hear early in the morning when the birds are still up in the tree. And when they first wake up, they make these little sounds and little clucks and little purrs. And this little call here is only 3 1/4 inches long. It has a receptacle in the back where you can put your striker in. You can put a strap around it. It already comes with a little scratch pad to keep it clean. And I just go across here with a few strokes to clean it. Also, I use rain chalk, which works very well on the strikers. I just take these and just turn them, just rub it a little bit. You don't have to bury it down in there, just lightly. And that will keep it working really well. And like I said, I have that canary wood, I have with the bloodwood. This one here is maple and bloodwood. Same aluminum anodized surface and the same type of pocket in the back. It also has a acrylic soundboard on the inside. So what I do is I hold it and kind of in the palm of my hand, my fingers are extended up, and I actually rest this hand on those fingers, and it helps you control the motion of the striker. So you just pull it, purrs, make a little yelping sound. And then if you want to make more of a gobbler type yelp, you close off the back a little bit more, then you get more of a kind of like a raindrop hitting the bottom of a barrel. So that changes the tone and intensity of the purrs. You can purr louder. And also have that in the Bubinga. And it plays the same way. So that's basically the way I run the call, and I think you could have great success with it in the early morning. So thanks for listening, and here's a shot of a few more of the ones that I've made. There's also a black limba, and that's the Bubinga, canary wood, the bloodwood, and this one's a combination of black limba and bloodwood. So thanks for listening, and talk to you again soon.